Hi everyone and welcome to Neonkandi. My name is Candace and welcome to our makeup tutorial. Today is going to be a little bit different. I decided to do two different types of eye looks. As you can tell, we are looking a little bit different than normal. So this is going to be broken up into two different types of makeup tutorial, one for the left and one for the right eye. I actually wanted to create some eye looks that I saw on Instagram, and I'll make sure to pop them here for you guys and give more details in each individual makeup tutorial. And so I'm really excited to show you how our pigments are very versatile, where it can be used on a very avant-garde makeup look here, and then a very classic Instagram halo eye deep look kind of thing. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and hop on to the tutorial. Okay guys, so I'm just going to quickly brush my brows here just to get us all ready to go on this first eye look. And of course, the first step we're going to go ahead and do is prime our eyes, and we're going to be using this base. This is the P.Louise Rumour base. And I'm just going to go ahead and apply it to my lid and then blend that outwards. And I'm putting the concealer around the shape of my entire lid and just a little bit above my crease, just so that I know that when I start to apply the shadow and blend it out, that the base is on top of the crease as well. Next, we're going to go in with our pigment. This is Gemini, and I'm using a nice flat dome brush here to apply the pigment. I'm pressing the pigment onto the white base and all the way up to the crease. And then once I'm done with the lid, I'm then going to drag that same pigment all the way down to my lower lash line. And now that all the pigment is done, we're going to go in with my nice blending brush. This is a E40, and we're going to go ahead and blend at the crease. Next, we're going to go ahead and take the NYX glitter primer, and we're just going to pat that down in the middle of my eye. And then selecting a small eyeliner brush, we're going to go ahead and dip our brush into our glitter. This is our glitter, and this is called Majestic. And we're just going to go ahead and pat on the glitter exactly where we have placed the glue. Next, we're going to basically repeat the same steps to the lower portion of my eye. We're going to apply the glitter glue on the basically eye part, and then we're going to pat on our loose glitter. Next, we're going to go ahead and apply our chunky glitter. This is our glitter, but I haven't really finished it. I'm just playing around with the actual colors and the glitter shapes that are in there. So I thought it would be fun to place this in this look today. We're going to go ahead and apply that again on the same areas that we applied the loose glitter Majestic. And then once that's done, we're going to go in with our mascara. This is Maybelline, the Falsies, and I'm just going to go ahead and apply that to both my upper and lower lashes. And then to top everything off, we're gonna go in with our highlighter. This is So Susan Cosmetics, and this is their cream to powder highlighter in the shade Candles and Kisses. That is literally the entire look, you guys. Simple, quick, easy, avant-garde artist makeup look, and let's just go back to the video. Alright guys, well this is the end of the tutorial for the purple eye. Again, we used our pigment Gemini and our glitter Majestic. I also popped in a little bit of a sneak peek of our glitter that I am working on right now. It's more of a chunky glitter, and I'm really glad on how it came out. I'm really excited on how it came out actually. I really wanted to capture how she had a simple eye look with just a pop of glitter as the main attraction, and I think we went ahead and covered that pretty darn well. So if you like this mini tutorial, please let me know in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial, and I will catch you at the next one.